So what do we have here? We got a F150 2015 with an Echo. I'm making a video, kid. Schematic is here. Junction box, checking the fuses first. You have a 50 amp fuse. F12, fuse 12 coming into the body control modules coming out here. It's a 2.7. And basically, as you can see here, power wire comes out. It's blue with gray. And it shares the parking lights is the complaint. Basically, the car didn't have any parking lamps in the rear, but it has parking lamps in the front. So you go over it, take a look. Customer found a ground that was no good. The ground is fixed. I redid it. The 400 I redid so that it's perfect. But the problem is that this all shares the parking lamps and the rear license lamps all share the same circuit. So in the codes, we had a short to ground. You see here, you had a bunch of shorts to ground. You have a bunch here, but these are erased after we cleared them. And you basically have a rear park lamp output short to ground. But you see, it says park lamp output. It doesn't say license plate lamp output. And that short to ground turned out not to be the actual parking lamps here. It actually shared with the parking lamps. So park turn lamp right rear, park stop lamp right rear. So before pulling out the rear tail lights and looking at this, we take a look at the fuses first, and then from there you go over the entire circuit and what's connected does work to the circuit. And what we found was the actual one of the license plate lamps. These were shorted together, so I put them together temporarily to make them work, and they do work. You want to go turn the lamps on here, kid? So, can you go turn the parking lamps on here? So these are just temporarily, and this is the reason why. So guys, come, they look up on here and look at these harnesses and take a look and see what's where. I looked at them quick, but it wasn't there. This is the ground here that I was talking about. Put the light on here so you can see it. So this ground here we redid a proper heat shrink style loop. Put those parking lamps on now. And you'll see the license plates light up, and so do the tail lamps. See? Tail lamps, you can kind of see that. So that's basically what the issue was. And just this year, you have to sometimes look at the code, but the code doesn't mean that, turn them off. Doesn't mean that it's the actual parking lamp the issue. The issue was what was sharing the circuit, which was the license plate lamps. So a quick vid so you guys can see that electrical sometimes isn't that difficult, but the schematic is important. This is the OE. With All Data and Mitchell, it's always a good idea to look at the OEs on Fords and some of the domestic stuff. Because if you look at the non-OE, it's a nice schematic, but there's always more information when it comes to the schematics and the OE stuff. So that's it. Quick vid.